Hello everyone, welcome to Harjeet's World, and my name is Harjeet, and once again I'm back with new vacancy. So the vacancy I'm going to talk about is only open in India. So the vacancy is open with Air India SATS, and the position is for customer service agent. For the latest update about the vacancies, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. My ID is Harjeet Dreams. So let's start with the video. The vacancy which I'm going to talk about is open with Air India SATS, and the position is for customer service agent. So the moment you will open this vacancy, you can see they have mentioned job description and some responsibilities. I would like to give you a brief idea about the job description so that you are aware about the job profile. So the first thing they're talking about is floor walking, which means that you will be walking at the airport and distributing baggage tags. If it's an international airport, then you will be giving them immigration forms which they need to fill at the airport. Next, they're talking about greet and assist, which means that you will be greeting them and assisting them if they need any assistance. So next they're talking about is document checks. For example, you will be checking their passports, their ID cards like Aadhaar card or any other documents similar to that. They're talking about meet and greet, which means that you will be greeting and assisting VIP customers, CIP customers, or mother with infants or mother with child. And you will have more responsibilities pre-flight and post-flight. Next, they are talking about special handy customers. For example, wheelchair customers, like if there is a wheelchair customer, they need some few assistance like with their baggage or to pass through the security check and many other such things. And next is about minors. So they are children who go without their parents from one place to another, and that time somebody is there to assist them. So you may be the person who will be assisting them. And mother with infants, they might need your assistance with their baggage, or they are first time travelers, so they want you to guide them through the boarding pass or their security checks and other such. So this was a brief idea about your job description, what you will be doing. Now I would like to tell you the qualification, the eligibility criteria for this vacancy. So the minimum qualification they are asking is bachelor's degree. You can have a bachelor degree from any stream. Next is excellent communication skills. And the next thing they have mentioned is if you have experienced or you have a certificate in aviation, then it will be an advantage for you. For this vacancy, boys and girls both can apply, and it is open for freshers as well as experienced. So next I would like to share information about how you can apply. For applying, you have to send an email to their email address, which is info.trv@aisats.in. At this email address, you have to send your CV along with the passport size photograph, and the last date for applying is 27th of December. So the location for this vacancy is Trivandrum. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.